All right, guys, so it's actually the next day and back to having the boat here. I am actually going to be painting it today. It should be calm enough. And I just mixed up the paint. I was playing around with some paints trying to get the one I wanted. So I actually don't know what color it's going to be exactly, but it's going to be a custom color because I I wanted it to be gloss forward blue. And so I took the silver and mixed it in there. And so here are my examples. So there, that's just gloss forward blue right there. That's it with a little bit of silver. You can, I don't know, and you could probably tell a lot more in light. And then that's what color it's gonna be. So when it's outside in the light, you can definitely tell, but that's the difference right there. It's really hard to tell in here, but when the sun's on it, you'll definitely be able to tell. But so the reason why I did this was because this is just, you know, your basic gloss forward blue, and the bottom, which right here, this is like a little fin. So right here is silver, which if you guys don't know, to get silver, you have to take gray and add metallic to it, because the only reason to get to silver, like, you don't have silver unless it's metallic, because otherwise it's just gray. So you have to have metallic. And I want the blue to be metallic too, like the silver, you know. So I added silver in with the blue, and I made sure to mix up like probably at least 2/3 of a quart, which should be plenty. Like I could do like 3 coats easily, 3 thick coats, because it's not too much, but I definitely have plenty. And you know, as long as I don't mess up. But I'll make sure to spray my first coat really thin, just as a tack coat. That's how you want to do all your first coats. I'm still getting the hang of it. I like to spray really thick, just, you know, to see the color, and it's a bad habit, but as long as you you know, do a thin first coat, you should be good, and then you can, you know, obviously spray thicker and stuff. But I just remembered I gotta cover up all these holes, because that would be bad, because that would definitely get the bottom all misted and just ruin it. So I really gotta tape those up now, and then wipe it all off, wax and grease remove it, and should be ready to paint. But also one more thing is, guys, I'm debating painting the underneath blue also. I don't know, I kind of want to, well, before vacation I was thinking of just, you know, all right, just throw the paint on it, call it good. I might not keep it for that long, but even then, like, I still want this to look like, you know, pretty good. So depending on how much blue I have, I'm not sure, but I might just do that blue. If not, maybe I could do it red, because I was actually thinking about doing this red and then doing the splattered blue and red on the seats, because the seats are white. I thought that would be really cool to like almost go for an American theme, but we'll see. So if I did go with the American theme, I probably should do red underneath the seats too, but I was going to keep the oars red and just repaint them red, so I could have the red oars. But you know, I don't know if they're gonna be on here all the time or not. I could just have them hooked in here and then back here, and just have it like that. So I'll have the red oars and then just a little stripe of red, but I might go underneath with red. We'll just have to see, but yeah, it's gonna look pretty good. But for this color, I was actually gonna try and go maybe a little bit lighter so it would look good with the silver, but I used all the white when I painted it. So that won't work. But I will have to pick up some white when I redo the seats and splatter them and everything. So I don't know, it's a process and it's coming together. So let me just try and get it painted today. And I think this color is gonna be really sweet, guys. I'm looking forward to laying it down and seeing what it looks like. And I think you guys are gonna like it too. So without further ado, here we go. Alright guys, so this is the color. It's not stirred up right now, but I don't know if you guys can exactly tell the metallicness, because this is what it was before. So as you guys can tell the difference there, that's what it was. That's with the silver in it. This is dull. This is gonna have some metallic in it. I don't know, it's really hard to tell. We'll definitely be able to tell once it's on the actually on the boat. Just stir it up here. You guys can see how light it gets. Definitely tell that the silver's in it. Like that. Now you guys can really tell. It's a lot different with the silver. So I'm gonna stir it up, put it in a jar, add the hardener and reducer, and then I'm ready to spray. So there you have it. Actually, I think I will show me painting it this time. We'll see. I think it would be cool though, so I'll probably throw in a time lapse here. Alright guys, I got the paint all mixed in the cup here. This is the OG cup, as you can see. I've used this for painting the whole boat so far. So you got the black, you got the white. There was silver on it. I don't know, maybe I did a better job cleaning up the silver, but now you got the blue. And from what I was talking about the last clip, I think I am gonna start recording most of the painting, because I feel like that's the, you know, the fun part to watch of the builds, is seeing them painted. And I feel like that's what you guys kind of look forward to. So I'm definitely gonna start recording them a lot more. But there's that nice blue. So hopefully this looks really good. That's the goal here. So here we go.